teachers want feedback. They don't want someone to come in and checklist things that we've done. Did I put my objectives on the board? Check. Okay, I got that pass. No, they want to say, are my objectives actually the right wording so that my students understand them, so that I then can create experiences to help students recognize where they're learning with that feedback at the end and such. Now, with the AI tool, we are actually moving conversations with our teachers to be more purposeful in that feedback. And I then can also ask tools in AI to say, now this particular person is really struggling with exit tickets that meet deeper levels of thinking. Pull for me case studies, pull for me examples, pull for me Edutopia articles that will actually give them examples to move. So instead of the principal saying, okay, this is what I saw, high five, you can do it better, all of that, here's what I'm noticing. Here's the conversation of questions we're going to have together. And then here's supports as you need them to move forward. And the benefit is the entire building moves forward with you.